Kyle and Eric from Chaparral Motorsports here with an Ocelot arched folding aluminum ramp. This ramp has a 750-pound load rating. Folded in half, we're looking at 3 foot 9 inches, as in the actual folded length of the ramp. As far as working width of the ramp, we are looking at 11 inches. We're now going to unfold the ramp and show you the full stretched out look. Now, you're going to notice that the end of this ramp has rubber feet on it. That's going to help the ramp to keep from slipping off the bed of the truck. It's also going to protect the tailgate if you don't have a bed liner on it. The bottom side of this ramp here, there's a little diamond plate there that's supposed to dig into the ground and help you keep from sliding as well. Here in the center, we have a tie-down strap that you're going to take to the bumper of the truck in order to hold this ramp in place so that it doesn't slip out when you're using power to get up into the truck, or if you're using two different ramps. If you're using your feet to kick on that second ramp, there is a possibility of that ramp actually slipping out. So being able to have that tie down secured so that the ramps don't slip away from the truck is definitely a good benefit. Again, 750-pound working capacity. It is arched. That arch is going to help you because it's going to decrease the breakover angle here at the top. You know, it's a little bit steeper here at the bottom, comes up, and then arches over, so the angle here is much less than it would be if it was just a straight ramp. Because the length of this ramp is a little bit longer than some of the others, it's going to be great for use on trucks that are a little bit higher than the stock two-wheel drive pickup. All right, we're now going to disconnect this from the bumper of the truck and move it over to a lifted F-250. Now over here we can see that the length of the ramp gives it a decent angle as far as the approach goes, but because it's curved, we have a nice, even, or easy breakover here at the top. This is a great ramp if you're looking to load a vehicle less than 750 pounds into the bed of your truck, or if you use two of these, you can load a four-wheeled vehicle less than 1,400 pounds. I'm Kyle from Chaparral Motorsports. Thanks for tuning in today. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.